Now that you have made your initial greenhouses, the goal of today is to either increase or decrease the temperature inside of your greenhouse. There are many ways that you can accomplish this, so feel free to be creative and discuss your idea with your instructor before you do anything. You could introduce water into your system, either in the soil or find some way to get it into the air. You could try and add gases into here. You can try and take out gases and create some sort of vacuum. You could change out the type of soil you're using. You could add more or less soil. There are a plethora of things that you can do to try and manipulate the temperature inside of your greenhouse. The first thing that you need to do for today is retake temperature data of just your initial setup that you worked on the last class. So put your microbits inside, get the max temperature. You don't need to graph the data again, but you do need a max temperature so you have something consistent to compare it against, because odds are the data you get today will be a little different than the other day due to how sunny it is or it was not. So first thing is get the initial data and then discuss with your partner ways that you can change the temperature inside of here. You'll see on your document that there are 4 experiments there. You can choose to try and make it all warmer or all colder or a mixture of the two. Do one experiment making it warmer, one experiment making it colder. Just make sure that you're only changing one variable at a time. So for instance, I'm just going to add 200 grams more of soil and see what that does. Or I'm going to use the same amount of soil in grams, but I'm going to change it out from potting soil to cactus soil. Or I'm going to keep the soil the same and I'm going to add 50 milliliters of water, so on and so forth. So make sure you're measuring and you're changing one thing at a time. You can do as many experiments as you have time for.